Tulog muna tayo. Mamaya pa daw si Ben Halgren dadating. Mga 2 o'clock siguro or 3. So, relax muna tayo. Oy, dumating na sa wakas! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Tatay sa racetrack. Dumating na si, Chay.
Oh.
Malipad ka ba, no?
Lipat ay.
Malipad ka ba? Uliko ka, musulod ka sa pikas. Gago, sugata na traffic. Wapag manubila si Chay Park. Tara ba? Murag pretzel ba? Gamay kayo, murag pretzel. Gandling mo yan. May gandling. To? Tong? Tong?
Oh.
1 kilo.
1 kilometer.
1 kilo.
1 kilometer. Layo. Kaya na itong gagyan, Chay.
Morning. Morning, Dubai.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dubai.
What?
Buy you.
That one. That one, the motorcycle?
The motorcycle.
Yeah, there.
Ini.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, the white one. Oh, okay.
So we stay there. Dito na tayo sa racetrack. Andito na yung mga riders. Ang daming riders. Eto, andito na sila, Ben. Op! Wala helmet! Wala helmet!
How are you? Welcome to Thailand.
Yeah.
Oh, how are you? Welcome to Thailand. They changed the front tire because I have a little bit better tire.
Okay, that's good. I was wondering if we could, how much they sell the tires.
Yeah, it's about front is 2005.
Okay.
Rear is like 2009.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
I put this because this one is destroyed.
So it's good if.
Now I put mid soft in the front and then it's mid hard in the rear.
Okay.
You
What
can
do you
try.
think? What do you think?
So we don't have any mid hard for the front.
We have new.
Yeah, I have new.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we have new?
You want new
Always,
now?
yeah.
You want new now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay. We
Okay.
pay. I keep pay.
Okay.
I have a 1,000
Okay.
baht.
So you don't want this?
No.
No, just for preparation for the wet.
We can bring also. Ayun na lang. Okay na. It's okay.
Because for the free practice. Hey, Kurt.
Okay, pwede mo po.
Pwede na gyapon.
What do you want? This,
We can put that one first.
this one first, I think?
Yeah.
And then you put the fresh one
yeah,
for
yeah.
the
Basta.
It was.
Look, we go.
Hey, Ron. How are you?
Hey, Joe.
China champ, night champ.
Yeah.
Man.
How are you, mate?
Good.
Hey, Sam. Sam, man. Jonathan, he paid already for the
Yeah.
for the bike
Okay. That's
and the
good.
ECU.
Okay, good.
So and then I give you one set of tires, and then you have to pay me for the ETS.
Okay.
That's what Jonathan said.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
For the fuel, right?
Yeah. If you're,
Ralph
Yeah.
needs ETS too.
how much
I don't know.
for the whole weekend?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you have that?
1 gallon is alright, right? For the whole weekend.
Yeah.
I have it in the Ralph.
I have 53 liters.
Ah, okay. That's good. Okay.
How much? 45, right?
Yeah. I give him good price.
Wala, kuya awa sa magsunoy. Ano, kita ko. Di lang na ako masir ba? Hi. Goodbye. Nandito, gwapo kayo mo ah.
Kada kayo.
Hello.
24.
Yung cellphone,
daan na kay sticker.
Ah.
Ilisi sa mong kuya din. Nairis hanap ng pinapauan.
Ah, luma na sticker mo Kuya Chad. Palitan natin yan. Marami dyan oh.
Digi da jay.
Iya palis dan. Ang ako ano, ibutang niya sulod cellphone. Yan.
Ah, nakita-feel din ka eh.
You find the tools that you need.
We have tools there. So let him borrow my tools.
Okay.
So the put first the tire so that I can
We
bring
go.
the bike there.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay. You ready, Bono? How's the shoulder?
I'm feeling good.
Okay.
Yeah,
You like the track?
I think so. Yeah.
Layout is.
The layout's better.
spec.
I don't know. No. It's my first time after 5 months.
Okay. Oh, you didn't race?
Yeah.
Didn't try.
No local race.
No local race because I can't even
So this is the.
I can't even pick up a glass of water.
So what did you do?
I broke my
Scapula.
my what do you call this tendon here in the AC joint, and also the
Torn.
rotator cuff torn the tendon here, and then torn my bicep.
So did surgery then?
Yeah. Here and shoulder and knee.
Knee, ACL.
Yeah. ACL also. I busted up my ACL.
So you did everything.
Yeah, I wanted to surgery everything.
So now it's Iron Man.
2 months. It's been
Lion King, come
4 months. 4 months after injury.
Okay.
After surgery. Because I got injured March 24 and I still didn't get surgery because I think it's gonna heal up. But
Okay.
after another 2 months, still doesn't heal up.
Okay.
I walk like I get surgery now. But I'm happy to be back riding.
Yeah. You have it. Okay.
Okay ra ka nang siya ka na no?
Hindi siya na itaod niya yung habo.
Mas mayo lagi kay
So what you bring? Plastic.
plastic, suspension, triple clamp, handlebars,
Okay.
pipe.
Oh, okay. So you want to?
I use my suspension.
You use your suspension?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah.
You want to try?
It's okay. I won't try.
You want to try?
Yeah, I try.
Yeah, try. I think you're gonna like it
Okay, good.
because it's very close to my Akit. This suspension.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, but you have the. I think you use the MX.
Yeah, MX Tech. I use MX Tech.
You bring MX Tech.
Yeah, I bring.
I think this may be better than MX Tech.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. Try it
Okay.
because we have 2 sessions tomorrow. So you first one you try it. If you don't like it,
And then the second one,
Yeah.
we try that.
yeah.
Okay.
Then you have some comparison. Because this one is, I feel it's a little bit soft. I don't know how your suspension is.
Stiff.
It's very stiff. And this track you cannot go stiff. Trust me. Because it's rock hard. You need traction.
Yeah.
So for me, it's
I have 2. Actually, I have 2 MX Tech. The one is for like short track, stiffer,
Yeah.
and then I have the outdoors.
okay. So what do you bring here?
The outdoors.
The outdoors.
Yeah. But it's okay. I wanna try so
Yeah.
that I
Yeah. Try.
know.
Compare.
Listen to that 250 King.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. Ano nang baklas-baklas na no? Saan?
Sila
Dito na lang ka?
dito kay di ipataod sa na unigit. Kay akong ibutang sa ampay. Plastics.
Okay. So the driver is here.
Yeah. He's here.
He's on a mission.
He already know.
See,
When he arrived, he's like, "Oh, very tired." I said, "No problem. I will drive."
and then straight here
Yeah,
because he went.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight drive. Okay. So what did you do last 2 days?
Just hang out here.
Okay.
Eat spicy food.
Okay. It's good. It's your first time to Thailand.
First time, yeah. First time.
It's good.
It's good.
It's not too different.
It's not too different, but I have trouble for the food.
Yeah.
Ike also not used to the food.
You just need to try.
Yeah.
Experience. Yeah. New experience. New world.
But we tried.
Yeah, good. Yeah, so this setup I use in China now and win. So I think it's pretty good.
This is the one.
Yeah. Nice.
What map do you use?
Map 4.
Map 4.
This one is less engine brake,
Yeah.
and I feel it's like long, so it's very good for
Long power
motocross.
band. Yeah.
And pretty torquey,
Nice.
so I like it. It's from Thomason.
Thomason?
Yeah, no, Italy.
Yeah.
Who the one who do the engines for HRC?
Oh.
Yeah. So he made a ECU. He combined his Vortex and Get.
Yeah.
And then he make it's called Taipei.
Taipei.
By AIM.
Yeah, we'll try.
Yeah.
What do we use? ECU unsa gani gamit?
Get. Yeah.
Get, no? We use Get.
Yeah. On my bike I use Get too, because I use twin injector.
More gas,
Yeah, more gas.
more torque.
More, I would say it's more long and more responsive. So a little bit, yeah, maybe more torque. It's more responsive.
Tools. Yan ba?
Parting dagahan agyan so. Kompleto ilang van. Van man Pirelli van.
Pwede mong bulkit.
Tapos naman ko inanis balay hinimo ras pulungulok. Lagi.
Asa na to?
Na dito sa garayan.
Sige kung ingon kay kuan na ipadala sa Puntalinaw.
Na dito. Hinimo sa pulungulok. Si kuan naghimo ba?
Si Ospinya ba?
Si pangalan to, Bart? Ligo na to.
Ospinya? Susmenya.
Susmin niya.
Mubo ba na?
Mubo ba, mubo?
Hindi ko na mo nakalimot.
Sorry ta, Jay. Tanaw ta sa imong motor.
Ta.
So sorry ta. So para makita niyo yung mga motor ng ibang teams. What's up, mananap?
May hapon.
Idol. Hello. Ayos. Pusing. Dito tayo sa motor ni CJ Maningo. And the Master TC is here.
Hey, hello. Hello Burns. Hello
Hello,
mga
pre.
fans sa Pinas.
Ara, pugiha kay motor sa kamigo. Dex, okay lang? Nakilala mo na sino may-ari, Dex?
Siyempre.
Ha? Hindi pa rin? Sabi mo huwag mo harangan, Dex. Nasira. Kita yung tiyan mo dyan.
Mga motor ng mga Philippine rider.
Okay, wapo ka dyan.
Wapo, good as new.
Good as new. Very new.
Full setup.
No excuses.
GYTR all the way.
Dito lang siya makagamit ng race gas talaga.
Medyo mahal.
Medyo mahal pero may makatry ka lang ng race gas. Bit-bit ka na ng Pilipinas.
Hindi mo mabit-bit yan.
Import.
Patay tayo dyan.
Wapo kayo mga vlog niyo ba?
Katawanan lang, pre. Lingaw ragod.
Satay ko sa vlog dito Burns.
Ay, Kuya Chading. Kuya Chading. Tana daw si Kuya Chading. Tana daw. Tana daw. Hilis naman ni Kuya Chading.
Wag yun ilis eh. Ako dito, imuha sticker sa gawas. Ako nasulod.
Nahilis. Nasa sulod. Ay, ang kuya. Gitaguan man.
Gawa ng kuya.
Pati sa motor. Dire, racing plate, imuha yun.
Kuya Chading. Racing na naman si Kuya Chading.
Walay pilit sticker dito. Siyang kwarto. Yan, burnog yapon. Yung frame niya, imuha yapon. Racing kuya.
Paper kanya, ikaw siguro.
Hello, bro.
Lagi kat video.
Nasa may imong ikasultian na ilang mga revelasyon niya, Kuya Chading. Ano mga Kuya Chading?
Ha? Di ba abot sa race?
Sige, sige.
Ano si Kuya Boris?
Ano si Kuya? Dula lang. Kaya seryoso.
Lingaw-lingaw lang na.
Smooth, sabi mo smooth. Hindi kayo ko ang ganyan. Smooth daw magmotor.
Smooth lang na.
May puno bantay-bantay.
Oo, may manihidis Chading. Pagkasinaw ani
Nang dahil sa TC22.
Because of TC22.
Pre, sinaw kayo, pre.
Okay, pre. Kujisan, thank you ah.
Thank you. Light speed. Carbon light speed. GYTR, billet cover. Technique, suspension. Ito yung ginaingon ni Hikit nga techniques. Same lang sa mao nilang gamit. Ang adjust to light. Medyo humok pang outdoor daw siya. Dili siya stiff.
Stiff magandang stock pre no? Stiff ba?
Actually, humok ang stock pero sobra ka humok. Medyo walay traction pre ako paminaw sa stock. Kaning mga inani kay traction jud siya kayo. Pero kinanglan jud di mo siya tunon, dapat kabalo jud mo tuno ba. Bro, dagan ka sa ano? 35 above?
Dili, alalay lang, waterboy.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya shout out sa mga amigo rito eh. Arvin
Shout out ko
Magarang.
sa What is Money, Arvin
Allah.
Magarang. Shout out, Sir Dave. Arvin Abugadil. Og Sir Bongat.
Bongat! Team, What is Money? Oh, si ano?
Oh. Pre, J. Gonzaga.
J.
Pre.
Gons.
Musta?
What's your name, bossing? What's your name?
Lachanon.
Lachanon?
Yeah.
You on this bike? It's yours?
MX2C.
Okay. Say hi to Philippines. This video, say hi Philippines. Can you say something to Philippines?
Lachanon, my friend. Nim Tilat Manalat.
Oo. Wanalak daw.
My
Bilat.
friend.
Ayaw call. How old are you? How old?
Cow. 29.
29. That's a good age. Same as me. Pre, sorry sa kadere pre. Pasal din tayo sa mga motor ng Team Good Boy, Tebes Riders. Kasi mahaba-haba pa ang natin preparation day. So we have more time to rest later. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Sir, what can you say about Bro, what's up? The mechanic, the famous mechanic, drag race.
From America.
American
From
mechanic.
America.
This year.
America. Masa kayo sit kayo dito ha?
Perting sikata rin tawanan sa mga drag racer, no? American mechanic. Sus, nagdalag Amerikano.
Ano po si Axel kadala? Amerikano. Akong Bisaya.
May gani, wag interview.
Ilat gyapon sila ba?
Pre. Sus, na po do. Team Good Boy. Dito tayo sa tent ng Team Good Boy. So ito yung motor. Kang kisa ni motor pre?
Kaya Joel, abang rami kayo na blown engine.
Maulagay mo igon ni Kurt sa kuha. So kay motor ni Joel Evans. Tulo mo karon bro. Tulo no? Tulo ka riders.
Honda,
Joel.
KTM. Oh,
Sa pangalan Joel.
Joel, si Sam
Sam Larsen og si
Delventor Alfarisi.
kato may bago. Alparisi. Indonesian.
Indonesian.
Okay. So tatlo ang rider ng Team Good Boy ngayon. Puros matutulin, dalawang Australian at saka isang Indonesian na MXGP rider. Tsaka isang pilot. Oh! Pilot man buga kina?
Pilot.
Pilot balot.
Pilot balot.
Pugi kay mga motor. So check natin yung mga motor guys.
How come?
KYB.
We don't know he is American. Where you come from?
KYB. Joel.
Got a present, mate.
Yeah, this is so nice.
Filipino?
We're set. Ready for a weekend.
Yeah. How do you think the track is right now? It's
not
better than before. Did you ride here before?
Yeah, I rode here before. It looks like they changed the layout a little bit. It looks better, but
And then I saw a video they put in more dirt
I think there's less dirt this time. It looks like the dirt has washed away from the rain.
from the rain. Yeah.
Yeah, like lots of. Did you walk?
Yeah. Yesterday.
Delventor.
Yeah, Del Ventor.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm okay. Nice to meet you too. You're from Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
You know my friend there, Diva?
Diva Ismayana.
Yeah. We ride together before in Supermoto Australia.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, in-
Supermoto also?
Yeah, I just rode because no one's representing the Philippines. That's why I tried it. Yeah, and I had fun I went to Newcastle.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
You race Supermoto there.
yeah.
That's it.
You know Graham
Graham.
Boyd? He owns a team there.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Is that Boyd Hocking's dad?
Boydie?
BPH? Is it BPH?
I don't.
Yeah, maybe.
Yan,
Maybe Boydie.
Usap sila sa...
They do supermodels.
Yeah, okay.
Anong motor, bro?
Dito, tara. Gikuan pa.
Okay.
Check up pa nila. Sammy boy,
What's happening? How have you
been
been?
good.
You good?
After our race in Luzon,
Yeah.
I got injured in March,
Okay.
a few months after, and then I got surgery for my knee and shoulder.
Yeah, okay. So it was a bad crash then?
Yeah, it's really bad. It's really bad. Torn most of my ligaments, and because I don't have broken bones, that's why I don't know that I torn so many ligaments, and also my bicep.
Yeah.
That's why I still rode second moto.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
So much pain.
so much pain.
It's allowance ride.
Oh, number 3 from Cebu.
Yeah.
Sir,
Allowance
very
ride.
far shipping here, huh?
Yes.
What's up, Manana? Proud Ramento.
What's up?
What's up?
Sawadee
Sawadi ka, kapon ka. Okay, Pinoy area naman tayo. Motor ni Proud Ramento andito, number 3. Ayan oh, poge. J3 MX stick. Uy! Looks familiar ha, your shock ha.
Looks familiar. Ito ka.
Ano yan?
Register.
Itago mo yan. Itago mo yan kasi...
Alas 5:05.
Saan ba na?
Huwag mo ka pa-register.
Tara. Kailangan, kasi kanang LAN? ID, wala. Ha? Yung picture ron? Register tayo. Dito ang registration area. Sorry boss. Registration na. Sorry. So napirmahan na natin ang ating mga kailangan. Thanks to my coach, CJ Manigo. Makuha ko ng license ko ngayon. Yun. So ang registration fee mga $4,000 ay pesos ay 4,000 baht. Registration fee medyo mahal, no? Kuya ko kayo sila? Kung sa to, Jay? Libre? Libre si?
Idol Ben.
Idol Ben Halgren. Libre ng registration. Sana all!
4,000.
Pila ka na, no? 4,000 baht times 1.6.
Dagan siguro mga 5 to.
Sobra, G.
Sobra.
Kaysa 1,000 God, 1.6.
1.6.
Sa 1,000, 1.6. So, Lord, sana marunong pa ako. Two weeks is the peak. Okay. Ano ta ang liberty? Uy, nagdala ka ni?
What pipe you bring?
Yushi.
Yoshimura.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's gonna fit with the ECU?
Yeah, with the long track it's good.
Okay. We can put the silencer or we remove that one?
What?
You know the small...
Oh yeah, you can remove.
We can remove
Yeah,
that
yeah.
one. Okay, much better.
Yeah. I do on the FMF take out.
Kakatapos natin umikot, first time natin nasakyan yung motor ni Ben, and okay naman, napakaganda ng motor niya. Actually, kailangan palang dalahin, manubela na lang, manubela at saka ano, plastics and mga levers, no, at saka mga grip. Pero yung makina, yung tambucho, stuck pa nga yung tambucho niya, pero ang lakas ng motor niya, power. Tapos sa sobrang tagal ko na siguro hindi nakasakay ng 250. Arm pump, grabe. Sa 3 laps. Di kay dugay ba way sakay? Ha?
Picture na sila.
Pictorial na sila. Kaya yun, para sa akin naman. Ang sarap, masaya. Grabe ka, enjoy ba? Lingawa kayo eh. Lami kayong restruck yun. Pero dagag agi sa tubig. Wala na yung arm pump ko na, okay na. Sa first few laps na siguro. Kasi matagal hindi nakaikot eh. Pero para sa akin, okay naman. Masaya ako sa takbo ko. Happy ako actually. Dahil syempre after injury, bubalik natin, nakalaro pa tayo. Kaya yun. Sarap. Sarap magmotor.
Yeah. 1, 2. Me before, I do 3. Here! Sasama na siya sa Pilipinas. You want to go Philippines?
Next year.
Next year, okay.
Just call us.
Yeah. Next year go to Philippines.
Yamaha.
The Yuma Racing.
Uma Racing.
Yeah.